We have developed a new die ejector tool for the Falcon, which is basically scanner friendly. This die ejector tool will also work for the Allstone 1 and the Allstone Neo. Anyway, it's a stainless steel tool we had specifically had developed for the purpose of ejecting the dies. Normally, when you eject dies, our design is such that you push from the bottom. That's if you're working with high expansion stone and it's the fit is snug, you just push from the bottom and it just comes off. It comes out nicely. However, you may not have that luxury when you have this inside a scanner, for example. So you're going to need to basically eject the dies, because this is going to be in the scanner, it's going to be clamped in place. So you take this tool and you just basically slide it under there, and you let this part of the tool, it's kind of like the thumb and the finger. The thumb needs to rest on the sidebar here. So rest and then basically push up. You're probably not going to have problems pulling this die out anyway with your fingers from the top. A good technique is with the dies is to, when the stone is setting and you've got the impression in here before it completely sets, you want to wipe excess stone off and do it in a way that it's a V shape. That way you're going to end up with grips that you can pull the dies out. But if you don't have that, then the die ejector tool is really quite useful in doing that. Now, the purpose, of course, is when you get to the larger dies, you kind of come to the don't try to do it from the, if it's a tight fit, don't try to do it from the middle. You start with one, on the edge, and then go on the other side, and then basically you're able to easily get it out this way. Keep in mind that this is inside the scanner and it's clamped in place, and do the same for just doing it at the edge. Oops, you don't want to do that. The way to do that, of course, is to just keep your finger there so it doesn't come flying out. Well, this die hasn't been taken out in a while, but anyway, there you go. So that's basically how you do that. Now, on when you have much larger dies, such as this, for example, this is probably not going to be a problem to remove. But this one here, again, you do one side, and then you come to the other side, and then basically it'll come off that way, as opposed to trying to do it all from the middle. It makes sense to try and prop up one side first slowly, and then go to the other side, and it comes out this way. So this die ejector tool is really nice because it is scanner friendly, and if you want to do this in free form, of course, it's really, I mean, you've got different ways to do it. Just, you can see how it works. Basically the finger pushes out in dealing with the larger dies. So now, if you were to do that with the Allstone Neo, the Allstone Neo is, if you notice, it has it doesn't have the same clearance as this, so pushes back in here. So basically you have to come in lying to the side and then bring it up this way. Okay, so that's how you do that. And There you go. And this, there you go. So again, come in from the side this way and bring it up this way. And you can move all along. Same thing with the Allstone one. It would be the same principle on using the tool. Just have to go to the side. On the full arch as well, also on full arch. And just come in flat and bring it up and then slide through. That's it.